Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of the Do Now. All right, here we go. First one. The measures of 5 of the interior angles of a hexagon. Hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. How many sides is that? I think you should know. Look back in your notes. Or blah, 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 blah. What is the measure of the 6th interior angle? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got here. So I drew a hexagon right here. So I draw like a less than and greater than sign, then connected them. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you don't have to draw a picture if you don't want, but we know we have 6 sides minus 2 times 180, and so that's 4 times 180. 4 times 180 is 720. So all the interior angles add up to 720. So that's going to be x plus 150 plus 100 plus 165 plus 150 plus 80 equals 720. There we go. Degrees. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure, because a lot of times when you mess up, you just forget one of the numbers, right? So now we got add up all these, combine like terms. 150 plus 100 plus 165 plus 150 plus 80 is 645. So x plus 645 equals 720 minus 645 on both sides. 720 minus 645 is 75. So the missing interior angle is 75 degrees. So that's going to be number 1. Yeah. All right, try this one now. Longest to shortest sides. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's see. So here's our picture right here. So the longest side would be opposite this 94 degrees because that's the biggest angle. So LN is the biggest side. Pac-Man is the bigger man, so I'm going to switch the inequalities to this way. Next biggest side, what's the next biggest angle? Yeah, 54. So that can be MN. And the smallest side is going to be opposite the smallest angle, so that's going to be LM or ML, like that. So we got biggest, middle, smallest. Pac-Man eats the bigger man. There we go. Okay, so LN, MN, LN. So that's going to be C. There we go. Nice job. All right, here we go. Mastering an advanced problem. Ooh, throwing it back to transformations. Oh my goodness. Which of the following will produce an image with a vertex at 1, 1 right here? How are you going to get right here? 1, 1. Ready, set, go. All right, let's try one by one. A, translate A, B, C, D 2 units to the right and 2 units down. Well, if I take this, go 2 to the right, 1, 2, and then 2 down, 1, 2, that misses this one. Just like C, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, so that's not going to hit 1, 1. So A is wrong. B, reflect the figure over the x-axis. So here's the figure right here. If I reflect across the x-axis, this is the x-axis right here, it's going to be down here. So I'm going to reflect it this way. So obviously I'm not going to get to 1, 1. That's not going to work. So B is wrong. How about C? Reflect the figure ABCD across the y-axis. Ooh, across the y-axis. Okay, so here's the y. So if I go 1 to here, I'm going to go, so C prime is going to be there. Yeah, B prime is right there, etc., etc. But all you need to know is there a point at 1, 1? Yes. C prime if I reflect it across the y-axis. So that's going to be C. If you got that Master Advanced one, awesome. Excellent work. If you finished early, go to the lesson video. Good work. Bye.